warning!
Urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall.
Damn it, Melbourne!
Where? A portion of central Florida, near and immediately east
Holy
of downtown
mackerel!
Orlando in the following county, Orange. When? Until 7
I was
p.m.
not
Eastern
expecting
Daylight
this.
Time. Impacts, flooding of creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 5:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 4.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Orlando, College Park, Conway, Belle Isle, Orlando Executive Airport, Pine Castle, Edgewood, and Holden Heights. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. This hazardous weather outlook is...
Holy crap! Hey, buddy. No special marine warning. There was no special marine warning. No severe thunderstorm warning. I don't know if there was an SPSS for it, but if there was, or if there wasn't, then what the fuck?
In addition, there is also potential for a weak northward flowing longshore current and brief rough surf from higher seas produced by offshore thunderstorms. Always swim near a lifeguard and never swim alone. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Saturday. A high chance of daily lightning storms continues through the week.
Great. Fucking fantastic. NPR News would relay that,
On October 7th.
but they didn't. The last time NPR News relayed a flood warning was, I think, during a hurricane, I'm assuming? I think. I have the video on my channel, but... that was unexpected. Shit, dude, this is gonna be a hell of a week.